For over 35 years, Beck has been providing peace of mind to smart home and business owners through its wide range of commercial and residential glass solutions. Beck Glass offers the most comprehensive residential services around, including failed sealed units, window replacement for all window styles, renovation and new construction, nail-on flange, equal leg, rebate and renovation windows, window and door hardware, cam handles, window rollers, hinges, window screens, patio doors and hardware, handles and footlocks, patio door rollers and patio door tracks, patio door screens, total vision shower and tub enclosures, skylights, drop-on glass, drop-on acrylic, T-bar systems, pressure plate systems. For over 35 years, Beck has been a leading provider of comprehensive commercial services, including failed sealed units, storefront windows and doors including repair and replacement, all insurance claims, all glass entry systems, canopy glass and skylights for new construction and renovations, drop-on glass, drop-on acrylic, T-bar system, pressure plate systems, office windows, total vision door and glass replacement, doorway, enclosures, total vision internal partitions and more, contract bids, blueprints for curtain wall, storefront, strip window, fabrication. The Beck Glass team is certified for fall protection, swing stage, Boson chair drop, boom lift. Beck Glass serves the entire Greater Vancouver area from West Vancouver to Chilliwack, including the Tri-Cities, Maple Ridge, Pitt Meadows, Mission, Richmond, Surrey, and Langley. Beck Glass also offers 24/7 emergency service. In the event of a break-in or vandalism, the Beck team is on standby to immediately secure your premises and perform repairs and replacement as soon as possible. Our long list of satisfied customers, including some of the area's most recognized brands, makes Beck the trusted choice for all your glass needs.